25 days of show-stopping gifts is just about to start. Get ready for a magical story, sure to win your heart.
I'm Big Zoo, I love Christmas, and I love getting my turkey ting on. This Christmas, Virgin Media is giving away 25 days of show-stopping gifts just for you lucky lot. And we're putting on a show to do it. What could possibly go wrong? Hold on one sec. Hello, Mum? No, listen, it's 2 lamb-free chicken.
Show-stopping gifts for all of you? I don't think so. Ooh, should I? Shoes are my greatest weakness.
All right, love you, Mum. All right, cool. What's going on here? Oh, my days, my flipping trainers. And someone stole all the Virgin Media presents. What man or woman has done this, man? I bet it was that wicked queen. I've got to find all the presents again.
All right, Zoo, need a hand?
Lauren, you're looking cool in your little mobile crib.
And I got these.
And you got my backup sneaks.
Jump in, we got ourselves a quest.
Onwards to adventure, laughs, daily gift giveaways. I really appreciate the lift, by the way. Obviously, I would drive, but I only have a provisional license. But I'm doing my theory next week, so hopefully I pass.
25 days of show-stopping gifts. Let's do Christmas.